Hello, this is a video tour of 1173 South Van Ness. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in a very convenient location, walking distance to many wonderful shops, restaurants, and conveniences. Okay, so the entrance to the unit is just outside the mailboxes here. You walk into this nice big flat. Over here to the right is the first bedroom. This is a nice bright bedroom with hardwood floors, bay windows. You do get lots of natural light. This is a decorative fireplace. And while there is no closet in this room, there's plenty of space for an armoire. But just outside the bedroom, you have this huge walk-in closet here. Built-in shelves and plenty of storage space. Okay, you have gas heat for this flat. Here is the full bathroom. You have a nice medicine cabinet, sink, and a bathtub and shower combination. Here is a half bath and the second bedroom. This one does have a closet. It's a good space here, and here is the closet for this bedroom. And this goes all the way back. Okay, here is the living room. This is a nice big living room located in the middle of the building, so it is very, very quiet. It's a nice big space located just outside the kitchen. You have a nice big pantry here with lots of shelves. There's your range, hood, sink, and refrigerator. There's plenty of room here for a kitchen island or a little breakfast table. Okay, through this door, you have private laundry machines. And out the back door, just a few steps down, you have a spacious shared backyard. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.